Hello and welcome back to Simplimath. I'm Reshu, your maths teacher, and I have a bachelor's and a master's degree in maths. Here I'm helping you to cover every concept, every example, and every question from every exercise. So when you subscribe to the channel, you get access to all this knowledge, which will help you to prepare for your exams better. So in this video, we are going to cover example 1, and example 1 says check graphically whether the pair of equations x plus 3y equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12 is consistent. If they are so, then solve them graphically. Now, first of all, I will teach you one trick so that you don't make a mistake in your exam. So the tip is x plus 3y equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12. These are the two equations that we are given. Now we know that any equation, a linear equation in two variables, can be represented in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So as per the standard form, if we convert these two equations in standard form, we get x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, and the second one we get 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. So if we see what is a1 by a2, a1 by a2 is here coefficient of x is 1, so 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2? It is 3 upon minus 3. So this comes out to be minus 1. So I can say that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So as we have studied in section 3.2 that when a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we can say that the pair of linear equations are consistent. So this is a little trick that you can apply in your exam so that you don't make a mistake. Now let us proceed how you have to actually solve the question if it comes in your exam. Alright, now let us come to this first equation. Now let for plotting the equation on the graph, because we have been asked to check it graphically. So let us say that this is equation 1. Let us say this is equation number 2. So for equation number 1, I can say if I plot different points x when x is 0, suppose, so what will be y equals to 6 minus x upon 3. So what would be the value of y would be 2, and when x is 6 we have y equal to 0. All right, so when we find out such points, similarly for equation number 2, what I can say is here y equals to 2x minus 12 by 3. Alright, so when x equals to 0, we get y equals to minus 4. When x equal to 6, we get y equal to 0. Okay, so when we plot these two equations on the graph, now let us plot these equations on the graph. Suppose this is our y-axis, alright, and this is the x-axis. Okay, for the equation 1, when x is 0, y equals to 2. So it is this point, right? 0, comma 2. So when x is 6, y equal to 0. 6, comma 0 is the other point. So when we connect these two points, we get this equation as x plus 3y equal to 6. Now let us plot the second equation. When x equal to 0, y equals to minus 4. So it is this point 0, comma minus 4. And when x equal to 6, y equal to 0. So it is this same point. Okay. So when we connect these two points, we get the graph of the equation 2x minus 3y equals to 12. So from here, when we see the graph, we can say both the equations intersect at one unique point, and this point is 6 comma 0. So I can say that the pair of linear equations is consistent. And the solution, what is the solution? Solution is the point where the two lines intersect. So the solution of this pair of equations is x equal to 6, and what is the y coordinate? It is 0, so y equal to 0. So this is the solution of the pair of given linear equations. Okay, so now I will encourage you to try one more similar question. Instead of these two equations, I'm giving you two other equations, x plus 5y equals to 10 and 4x plus 2y equals to 8. You have to find the graphically whether this pair of linear equations are consistent, and if they are, then solve them graphically. Okay, and if you have any queries, leave them down in the comment section below, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.